Let's look at some of the new things Snapshot can do editing profiles and permission sets. So first I can bring up all of my profiles down the left-hand side here and look at all of my object permissions across the top of the screen. And I can look at all of the other asset types, for example, profiles by tab visibility, profiles by layout assignments, so on and so forth. And I can not only see all this information, I can also edit it. If I bring out the editing palette, I can select any cells that I want and change their permissions and apply those changes. I can work with my profiles over here and also with my permission sets. So let's say that I want to add a user permission to this first permission set here. So first I would choose Trim Table to cut down the size of this a little bit. There, that's a lot easier to work with. Bring out my editing palette. And what I want to do is I want to change the Approve Contract permission to Enabled. Now, just because I enabled this permission doesn't mean that all of the other permissions and object permissions that I need are also enabled. So to fix that, I can click the Repair button, and it will figure out all of the other, in this case, object permissions that we need in order to approve a contract. All right, I've made some changes to my profiles, some changes to my permission sets. Now let's go deploy those changes with Smart Deploy. Smart Deploy will instantly take me into a deployment interface with those profiles that I changed and the permission set over here in the Create Job list. I can delete assets on this screen if I need to. And then lastly, here I am in the deployment interface, and I can save those changes to the destination org.